Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your HONOR Earbuds X6 to factory settings. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, do not close the case. At the back side of your earbuds we have touch controls right here and right here. So you need to press and hold both of these touch controls until these lights start flashing red. So press and hold on both of it. Firstly it entered to panic mode, so it starts blinking white. Okay, I guess I tap on it not correct way, so let me press and hold again. Okay, here we go. Now it starts blinking white, so it's entered to panic mode. Don't worry, just keep holding these earbuds. And now we have this red LED light. So you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, right here at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device, and if you have Apple device, you just you can reopen Bluetooth. So just go back and open Bluetooth again, and then you will see these earbuds in the device list, because after factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically. And you just tap on it and click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!